Hi guys, this is Adele and this is Alex, and together you're watching our channel, The Beginner. Well, today we are going to share with you our sweetest treat yet. It's 100% natural, gets rid of all your sugar cravings. I mean, it kicks them to the curb. It's super good for your hair and your skin. Really good for post-workout and gets rid of any excess water in your body. Do you know what it is? Well, you're gonna have to keep watching the video to find out exactly what it is and how you can make that right in your very own kitchen. Two favors I need from you before you watch the video. Number one is please subscribe to our channel. If you want to see more of these videos, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification button. Once you hit that button, they'll go straight into your inbox and you'll be one of the first people to see the videos every time we release them. The second favor is we need you to hit that like button. Ding! That one, just like that. And if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends too. And if you make the sweet treat, not if, but when you make the sweet treat and you share it with your family and friends, we want you to tell us all about it in the comment box below. This dude has come bearing watermelon. Oh my god, it's how much?
11 kilos.
Whoa.
Oh, that's nuts. Oh, that's nuts. That big ass 11 kilogram watermelon. Heavier than what's in my wife's arm right now.
I'm breastfeeding and videoing.
You guys ready?
Okay, wait. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's nuts.
Oh, that looks so good.
That's pretty tasty looking, huh?
That looks so good.
Cool.
Now, I remember when I tried to use a Vitamix to juice this.
Oh, yeah.
And then I had to
strain it when we had this beautiful piece of machinery right here.
Yeah, it's not like we didn't have the Hurom. We had it, but I chose to use its cousin behind it, the Vitamix.
Quick and easy. Because
I thought it was quick and easy and I could like squash all the seeds and everything, and then I would spend forever straining it.
6 of one, half a dozen of the other, because you put it in the juicer and it does everything for you, but it just takes a little bit longer, or you put it in the Vitamix and then you have to strain it, so it kind of takes the same time anyway, so it's just easier that's quicker.
The Hurom's way quicker because that's straining in that little tiny strainer. You remember the one I was using? Like I had to milk the thing.
This one or this
Ooh,
one?
let me see. I can't see
this one's pretty red on that.
I can't see this. Oh, it's the same.
Okay. I'll use this one today.
About me. Is it good? Was it worth it? Oh God!
Don't drown. It's pretty good, huh?
And so juicy. I can't wait to drink it. Look at that. Tell me your mouth is not watering. Okay, see all this goodness here. Usually I don't throw away all of that because I use it on my skin. It's really hydrating. It's like cucumber. I'm sure you've seen people put like cucumber on their faces, on their eyes, around their eyes to reduce, you know, swelling, or if you have bags under your eyes. Well, the watermelon does the same, but it just smooths out the skin. It's like a toner. It's really awesome. It feels really good. Trying to do what I'm saying. Jackass. And it's really cold right now. Freezing. God, it's freezing. Okay, but yeah, you just get past the cold bit and then you rub it and all your pores will close and your skin, and you can actually leave it on the whole day if you want. You don't have to wash it off. It's not sticky or anything. Put it over your eyes if you want. You need to cool down, especially living in Dubai and your skin gets really dry here. This is super hydrating. We're into reusing and recycling, so these are tomato puree jars that we'll put our juice in, watermelon juice, and we will use the Hurom Juicer for this. We will not be using the Vitamix, the Hurom Juicer, and do this really quickly. Oh yeah? Drop my juice, boy, and you're out. Hey dude, what's up? What's up? Bet you wish you could have some watermelon juice, but you can't. Oh, look at that smile. Oh, you can't have it yet. You like to hear this part, okay? Yeah. Let me hear it. What are you grinning about?
Crack.
What did you like? The seeds?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Crunching of the seeds.
So that's all the fiber we got. It's not much at all. Didn't you try to like put it back in the juicer?
Yeah, but it wasn't really that beneficial. Right?
No.
Sauce bucket.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. You're dropping liquid gold. How many bottles did we get? Hey! Hey, 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 hey,
I got 4.
Turn these around for me, babe. What are these? I can see they have labels on them. That's right, there are old tomato paste jars. Bottles. Now we've got watermelon juice. Why'd you turn that around? That's all the fiber or pulp or whatever you want to call it that we got in it. Not 11 kilos, that was half.
And for extra dessert, we make melon balls.
Don't. Who's gonna eat your melon ball? That looks like a meatball, yuck.
Yuck. Okay, never mind. Let's start that way.
Yum! So one for you since you drank that last bit, and all the rest are mine. Well, I really shouldn't even video you sampling this because you've been drinking it all along the way. I need to try it. Hey, babe.
That's pretty damn tasty.
Yeah, well, can I have
Good tomato paste.
Can I have some?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Can you video me?
Good? Vampire.
I can't wait for him to, for Archie to try this.
Yeah, he's gonna get some good nutrients out of
Put in
this.
this little bottle.
You'll never go back to milk again.
Hey, my milk's good.
Oh yeah? That's what they all say.
Oh, you found your monkey. Put it on you. Because I didn't put it there. Oh, it's okay. Don't be shy. Keep doing what you're doing. Gotta get used to this camera. It's gonna be in your face. Like that. Oh, he's finding his little hands and feet the last couple of days. Alright guys, that was the end of the video, but that doesn't mean it has to end right here. Make sure you get in your kitchen and make it. It's super easy, it's super sweet, and like I said before, it is super delicious.
Cheers to that. And guys, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to see any of these videos in the future for more good treats in your system.